Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome to 4am Art. And in this video I'm just going to show you how I convert this almost finished eagle drawing and convert it into something a little bit more graphic with a lot more contrast using darker, softer lead as well as a white pencil for the highlights. So as I continue to finish this drawing, I'm using HB lead, which you cannot get really super dark tones, but it's great for putting in the detail, putting a lot of the tones in. You can, of course, add extra pressure on the pencil to get somewhat darker tones, but in the end, the contrast may not be as high as you might want. So now I've switched to a different mechanical pencil that is colored black, and again, my black mechanical pencils always have 4B lead. So on a quick glance, I know that this particular pencil will have the softer lead. So I go ahead and start outlining this drawing just to add more contrast, more definition. Now my particular lighting doesn't make this video look as dark as the pencil lines actually are. But you'll see as we get to the lower right parts, that's actually how dark it is. The upper left lines for some reason just kind of fade out a bit. So one thing to keep in mind with this 4B lead is that it is soft. You can get dark values, but it breaks very easily, which I assume would be the reason why it's very difficult to find lead any softer than 4B lead for mechanical pencils. They just don't have enough strength to be durable. So I just go ahead and add some of the darker tones within the drawing, the shadows such as inside the beak, the mouth, and of course again the outline is the main thing. So at this point I've switched over to my white pencil, and this covers all the highlights and the brighter tones. Remember that the paper covers most of the midtones. Your regular pencil covers the darker tones and the shadows. So this really, at this point, brings out the full contrast of the drawing. So I hope you found this video useful. Try it, experiment, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.